How to clear location history on Google Maps. So hello guys, if you want to clear location history in Google Maps, like if you search for some location and if you want to clear that history, how you guys can do that. So it works on iPhone, Android or Samsung. So for that we will simply go to Google Maps. Once you click here you guys will see on top right corner small profile pic. So simply click on that. Once you click here you guys will simply scroll to end. Here you guys will see settings, so simply click on settings. Once you click on settings, here you will see app language offline map setting, but we will simply scroll. Here you guys will see maps history, so simply click on that. Once you click on that, here you need to wait for some seconds. Now here you guys will see saving to web app activity auto delete. Also you guys will see delete option or search. So simply here you guys will see the data that you search for it or the location you search for it. So for deleting that, simply click on delete option, and once you click on delete option, after that click on OK, and that's once you click on OK, your search data history will be deleted, like the location history. Thanks for watching.